So I'm Emma from Glulam and I'm one of the MDs. So it's all laminated pieces of timber, cut into 45mm laminations and finger jointed together to create a structural beam. Our stock is all 12 metres long, and then we cut and fabricate and ship it back out around the UK. So primarily it is the glulams that we run through it. If we get a special order to come in, or if we need to sort of create a bespoke section size for someone, we can run the lambs through to create what the customer's looking for. So we had an Italian machine before, wasn't quite man enough for the job and didn't work in our workshop because it was handed the wrong way around. Build quality probably was the main thing. It's well built throughout and it's really easy to use. From changing the blades was always a killer, but with this one, it's nice and easy. So it was all done over the phone. I think we just knew of you from years in the business, so hence why we found you and come to you. And yeah, quick phone call and it was ordered and delivered and set up and we were good to go. I say it's ease of use saves so much time and money straight away. Yeah, we'll definitely buy another one, yeah. Again, the speed and ease of use. It's foolproof. You don't have to, there's no technical setting it up. It does it all for you, basically. So that's what we all want. So it's only me that actually uses it. And yeah, it's one of the easiest ones that we've ever had, considering it has got a computer on it, which normally is not great. But yeah, no, it's very easy to use and sort of self-explanatory. It was a great experience from start to finish, I guess. I mean, we had no issues from quick response, which is always a good one. And letting us know what was happening is always the biggest one, because nobody, lack of communication, but no, brilliant from, start to delivery. And if we've ever had any problems, you're always on the end of the phone to help us out. So yeah, good all-round experience.